7th grade warriors and parents. We are so excited to have you guys back here at West Point Junior High for your 8th grade year. Today I'm going to show you how to do your course requests so that you can pick your classes for next year and be all registered. Now we are going to help you in your CCA class on March 8th. So don't fret if you have any questions as you're moving through here. We're going to come in and we're going to help you in CCA. So write down your questions and we'll be ready to rock and roll on March 8th. Okay. So the very first step, of course, is we are going to log into myDSD. But the most important thing about this is that you guys are logged in to your student myDSD account. You will not be able to make changes in the parent myDSD account. So if you're in the guardian account, you can see what choices your student has made, but you cannot make any changes unless you are in the student myDSD account. Okay, once you are in here, you're going to go up to the academics tab. You're going to go down to the bottom and select course request. Once you are in here, you're going to see that there are some classes locked in place. So these are the classes that you have to take in 8th grade, right? We have to take English, we have to take science, we have to take math. Now that you're in 8th grade, you don't have to take math every day. You do have to take U.S. history, we have to take health, and we have to take digital literacy and PE. Now, if you've already taken digital literacy, or you took PE online, or you want to take an honors class, or any changes you want to make to locked classes, you're going to go back to that email and you are going to fill out this form. Okay? In your email, there is a link that links you to this form where you can request any of those changes. You can make those changes or your counselor will make those changes in your course request, and you'll be able to view the changes in here once they've been made. So even after the window to fill out your course request is finished, you will be able to see the changes that your counselor makes in this page. You'll actually have access to this page at all times and see what classes you requested. So if you ever have questions, you can come on back to academics and course requests, and they'll all be here, anything that you've chosen. Okay, so let's dive right in. First things first is we are trying to get to 8 of 8, 8 of 8, and 3 of 3. Now, I don't want you to get bogged down on semesters. This doesn't mean if I put it in this semester, it'll be first semester. If I put it in this column, it'll be second semester. The computer will randomly select which semester that it puts your classes in. So please, please, please do not worry about that. But let's go in and let's fill in some classes. So I want to, let's see, maybe I've been taking Spanish as a 7th grader and I want to add a Spanish class. So I'm going to select add course, select my category, go down here to world languages, select Spanish 2 because I was taking Spanish 1, and I'm going to add that course in. And then let's say I am a band student, so I want to go into fine arts, and I want to add band 2, because I've already done band 1. If I put it in column 1, it puts it on both sides. Okay, so I've got band in here that I added, I've got Spanish in here that I've added. It looks like my column 1 is complete. I have 8 of 8, but column 2, I only have 7 of 8. So let's see, I'm going to need to pick a semester-long class. So year-long class takes up both columns. So I want to make sure I pick a semester-long class. And let's see, maybe I want to do Facts A, because I really want to learn how to sew. So I'm going to go in and select Facts A. As you can see, the Facts B is not here. That means I've already taken that class, and it is not an option for me to take. So we cannot retake classes. We need to select classes that we haven't taken and we're excited to take again next year. So I'm going to put Facts A in here, and I've got 8 of 8 and 8 of 8. I'm done with my column 1 and column 2. Now I need to select alternative classes. Now alternative classes, these are classes that you would have if your classes that you've chosen have some scheduling conflicts and they're offered at the same time, or maybe we weren't able to offer enough sections to cover everybody and you weren't selected to get your first choice. So I need you to pick some alternative classes that you are excited about. because there is a probability that you will be put in one of your alternative classes. So let's see, I really like robotics. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to select CTE and go to robotics. And I'm going to put in my alternatives. Now I'm at one of three, so I need some more, right? Because if I go and verify this, it's going to tell me that I need to have 3, but I only have 1. So I need to go in and add 2 more classes. Maybe I want to learn about current issues in the world today and have discussions about that. So I'm going to add that in there. I need 1 more, so let's see. I'm going to go in and add, maybe I want to do Pinterest or projects. I'm going to do a woodshop class. I'm going to add that in there. Okay, now I've got 8 of 8, 8 of 8, and 3 of 3. So I'm going to verify my course request. It gives me this green that verification has been successful. So I am all set. I am all registered for 8th grade. So once you've done this, you are done and you are all set. You'll get your schedule in August. And we will send emails throughout the summer to kind of keep you updated on that. If you select something changed on your locked classes, those will be changed by your counselor in a timely manner. You will just have to go and look at your course requests to see that they have been changed. That's where you find out if the change has been made. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your school counselor. They'd be happy to help you. In the meantime, we will see you on March 8th in class to help you out. Let us know if you have any questions.